So I have this tiny little camera and transmitter all in one, which is 25 milliwatts, and it's 5.8 gigahertz. Then I have a box with the receiver in it, and I was getting a lot of glare on this screen. I'm going to walk all the way down there to the end of my property line and see the performance of this 5.8 gigahertz 5-turn helical antenna. The pole where the transmitter is right there next to the big power pole, and I'm about halfway down the property line. So I'm the little black speck next to the fence. That's about 350 feet away. I'm halfway down the property line. So I'm down at the end of my property line by the fence. Can't go any further. So here's the signal facing 90 degrees off center from the transmitter. And then I'll turn it, and that's about 700 feet away. But now I'm going away from the fence line, and I'm still getting a solid signal at 700 feet away at 25 milliwatts. But now I'm close to my house where the router is, and getting a lot of dirty signal from the router, which is also on 5.8. So now I'm walking back towards the fence line, and that tells you how good of a performance you can get from one of these circularly polarized antennas at just only a 9.5 dB gain. 25 milliwatts carrying 7 to 1,000 feet away is like your Wi-Fi router working 1,000 feet away. You know, it's not going to happen. But here we are with this antenna, getting a clear signal. And the transmitter is up there on that power pole right there where my finger is. They'll have a strong signal.